In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set your VLC Media Player to automatically open whenever you open or start your computer. Now, to achieve that, it's quite simple. Just go to the Start menu here, and then under Search, type in Run, and then open it. Now, under Run, go ahead and type in shell :startup as just one sentence, and then click on it. And this will open up this Start folder. Now here you can copy and paste here all the programs that you want to automatically open whenever you start or restart your computer. So for our case, we want VLC Media to be added here. So identify or go to the shortcut of VLC, and we have VLC shortcut here. Right click on it and then copy and then paste it here. In case you don't have VLC shortcut here, just go to Start menu and then search VLC. And here it is, VLC Media Player. Right click on it, then click on Open File Location. And here you can see we have our VLC Media Player. Right click on it and then copy. And then come here and paste it now. And that is it. It is done. Go ahead now and close all the folders. Now each time you start your computer, VLC Media will automatically open. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.